lovely unblooded, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm doing this fun summery look with the new Bella Beaute bar collection. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Hey y'all, so I wanted to do a color combination that I love. I don't know what it is, but hot pink and yellow together. And I've been putting off doing anything like this, but since the Melted Mattes palette is here, I was like, why not? I feel like this is given summertime. I love it so much. So my lid is primed with the Drawer Cosmetics Clean Canvas and Fair, and I used the Danessa Myricks Color Fix Mattes, the matte yellow and the pastel pink, so Lemonade and Bunny. I just felt like using them because they're cute. Alright, I'm going to start out with the Makeup Shack T63 brush and the darker hot pink, and what I'm going to do is start to pop that onto the lid, into the crease, and wing it out. Back and forth windshield wipe motions with the lightest amount of pressure. This shade is so pretty. And then I'm going to take that hot pink right underneath it and just start to blend, blend, blend. Get that nice and blended out. And the contrast of these, like, there's a subtle difference, but I felt like they were just like perfect together. I have that brush cleaned off, and then I'm going to take the yellow. And I'm just going to pop that in the crease. And if it gets on the lid, that's fine. This is just like a quick and easy summer vibes kind of look. Take that, blend, blend, blend. Look at how quick and how easy that came together. Oh my goodness, Artie and Biscuit are playing. So now I'm going to take the Makeup Shack T87 brush and the white. And I'm just going to start to soften that up, get it nice and diffused. Nice seamless blenderoo. And then get it all softened up so we don't have any harshness. And then I'm going to take a smidgen of that second pink. Get that nice and blended together. Now I'm going to take the Melted Charms palette. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so pretty. I'm going to take the shade Melted and put it all over the lid. And then I'm going to take Dissolve to do for my inner corner and work it up. So I'm going to take a little bit of Melt onto my finger and just start to pop that on. Work it up and over. And I'm going to take the Doe Color number 10 brush. I believe that's what it is. The number is gone. So I'm going to take a little bit more of Melt on it. And I'm going to work that into the crease. Just work that all over the lid. I have that brush cleaned off, and I'm going to take Dissolve. Pop that on the inner corner and work that up and over. And I'll take a little bit more Melt and blend that. Blending is repetitive, but it's worth it. I'm going to take a little bit more of the yellow with that Makeup Shack T63 brush. And I'm going to just go ahead and start to bring it back just a little bit. Get everything blended in. And then I'm going to take a little bit of that first pink and just kind of blend that on the edge. Okay, so I'm going to add some gems. They are the Angel Baby Gem Pack for Man and Gems and some of the Where's Absalom butterflies. Actually, let me show you. Add some of these. And that's a quick and easy look. So if you just wanted to not add the details, that's fine. But if you want to, I'm going to do that now. Alright, I'm going to go do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. What do you think? I feel like it's very much so given summertime vibes and I'm here for it. I'm so excited about how it turned out. I love the little butterflies. It's like the little butterflies have their little butterfly trails of magic because I feel like butterflies are magical. I even dug out my butterfly shirt and some earrings that I got at Hot Topic like forever ago. So yeah. Okay, I do plan on doing the Taylor Swift Mon music video wedding makeup soon. I'm so sorry it's been delayed, but I have had a very busy week. I will get to that, I promise. And yeah, if there's any other looks that you would like to see, please let me know down in the comments below. If you'd like to keep up with my awkward face and shenanigans while I'm not here on YouTube, then I have all my social medias linked in the description box down below. And if you'd like to keep up with me while I am here on YouTube, then please hit the subscribe button. It means so much to me and I can't thank you enough. And if you like this video, could you please give it a thumbs up? I heard that it helps to push my video out into the algorithm, so if you give it a thumbs up, then thank you. Alright, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!